Hi, it's Candy. Welcome to The Art of Planning, where we're going to do a semi-unboxing. This is new. I just got it a couple of days ago, and I wanted to go through it with you. I've kind of taken everything out of the really noisy packaging that it was in, and we're going to look at my latest planner that I got from Franklin, and it is, surprise, something you wouldn't really expect. It is a compact planner, which I hardly ever get, but I really kind of want to step out of my comfort zone a little bit, and I want to try to love a compact again. So I ordered this. I actually ordered this on the 9th. No. I ordered it on the 4th. They told me it would take me a while to get it because they were actually sold out and that I might have to wait. They fulfilled my order and shipped it on the 9th. I didn't have to wait very long at all. And here it is, and I want to go through it with you. And I absolutely loved it. This is going to be a first impression, but I kind of put things together, and my first impression is that I love this binder. This is an Anna binder. It is in the Sailor Blue, and I love it, you guys. I just love it. Okay, I'm a classic girl. This is a compact. The Anna comes in classic and compact. The Anna comes in Sailor Blue and red, and it is on the website. So you may have it, you may have looked at it, and you may have not really known about it. I will share with you what I think, okay? I love this little binder. Okay, here, we're opening it up. I'm going to check several times on making sure you're in frame, because we're not in frame, right? Okay, maybe that's better. Okay, so inside front cover. This has, I think they're regular size pockets. They look like the same size as the classic. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This sixth piece is just an open, a great big open piece where you can slip a lot of things in. Then we have the zipper pocket, so you can actually secure things inside it. Credit card, money, anything you don't want to slip out. And then you also have in here another place to put things. You have 2 pin loops, one on the inside front cover, one on the inside of the back cover. They've got the elastic in it, so you can select a large variety of sizes of writing utensils. So that's kind of good. You get with this also your page turners, so you have 2 of them, which is real nice. Now there was a time, it may have been a while back, but there was a time we didn't get page turners anymore with our planners, so we have our page turners there. Now with this, you also have 1-inch silver rings. The 1-inch, I think, for the compact size is a very nice size. I have 3 months worth of planning pages in here, and you can see there is lots of room still. And I think the silver rings are a really good match with this Sailor Blue color. Okay, we're going to flip over the inside of the back. Are just all the way across pockets. So you've got a short one here, your medium one here, and then the next one. So you've got 3 really nice pockets on the inside of the back. You flip it over, and then you have a zippered pocket right here. So again, anything that you want to know is not going to fall out of your binder. Your money, your credit cards, a prescription, appointment sheets, appointment cards, I don't know, whatever you just want to make sure you don't lose, so you can zip it up there. So you actually have 2 zippered places. One on the outside back cover, one on the inside of your front cover right there. Okay, now what I did when I got this one, just because it's just almost a trial for me, everybody, I just need to make sure that this is what I'm going to carry with me. I got 3 pages, no, I got 3 months of day on 2 pages planners. So my usual format that I love, the day on 2 pages, but I got 3 months of them. I got a quarter of them, and you can do that normally. So that lets me finish out the year, and I don't have to make a big investment in planner pages. If I use this for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and decide I'm going to love it, then I can immediately jump into it and get pages for 2021. If I'm not really sure, then I could get another quarters of pages. I could get January, February, and March for 21 and give it, a little more time to see what I wanted. But I don't have to make a big time commitment in planner pages if I'm not sure that I'm going to use this a long time. So that gives me, a while to kind of decide what it is I want to do. If I decide I'm not going to use it as a planner, I can use it as all sorts of other things. But I can give it some time to try and decide what I think. Well, I'll tell you one thing I think. I think I love the binder. The color is just absolutely incredible. Okay, now, one thing I wanted to do also is just, kind of give you this comparison. Here's the classic, which I love. I mean, this is my preferred size. And then here is the compact. Okay, so there we go in size reference. I think a lot of people, when they go to the compact, they use this as a wallet and just kind of carry it around like that. Can you tell the difference right there? So that gives you some size, sub-size. That gives you some idea of the size difference. Now, as you can see, the same style right here with the stitching down the spine and then the stitching down the middle of the front. It has a snap front, and I love that. I don't like the open structure of a binder. I want it secured some way. I need it secured some way. Zippers are okay. Snaps are okay. But I do want a closure of some sort. So I do like the style of this binder. I love the color of this binder. I think I mentioned that this comes in red and the sailor blue. And again, the sailor blue really lends itself to being more of a purple tone. I tried to find something that would kind of give you an idea of that. I cut these strips to do something else with earlier this week. This is a blue. This is a pretty true blue. It's just some paper that I was doing something else with. And then here is a purple. And of course, they're all on the blue color wheel of the blue family, but this is a really good blue and this is a purple. So, and you know what? Actually, if we're going to talk colors, well, you've got a gray background here too. So this is almost a neutral. This could be a really neutral color. And here's your gray, which is a really neutral color also. So, it's not a real purple. It's not a real blue. So, I mean, I don't know any of you that match your planners to anything. However, it could really be a real neutral color. The name Sailor Blue, I don't know. But the color is just incredible. If you order this wanting it to be a blue, you might be disappointed because it does have that purple hue to it. But it is an incredible color. Good surprise, if you will, for me. I wasn't expecting any certain color. I did not order the red because I have a red binder in the classic size. So I was just ordering this to have a new compact size to try. And that's what I found. I mean, that's what I got that I absolutely love. So, that's kind of my first impression of things. If you have any comments, leave them in the comments. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you have any additional information that you would like to leave, that you think other people would like to know about this, go ahead and leave that in the comments too. I just wanted to give you a quick video on this Friday, give you comments, give you first impressions, give you any information I had to share about the compact binder, and show you that I do try new things a lot. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Have an incredibly blessed weekend, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? Thanks, everybody. Bye.